Hello everybody, greetings from finspire club of JAGSoM. I, Deval Agrawal, a PGDM student in FinTech from JAGSoM School of Management, welcomes back to our blockchain series, where in the previous video we have talked about the cryptocurrency and what it is. Today, we will be driving into a powerful force that drives the crypto revolution, that is the blockchain. So let's have a light on the blockchain, what it is, how it works. Picture a revolutionary digital ledger that defies the norms of centralization and embraces the power of decentralization. Enter the blockchain, a distributed network that records and verifies transactions across multiple nodes, ensuring transparency and security like never before. But hold on tight, because this is no ordinary ledger. It's a robust, unstoppable force that reshapes the way we exchange values. Learn about the decentralized blockchain. What is decentralized blockchain? How it is useful? We will talk about in this video. The blockchain decentralized nature means that no single authority holds the keys, making it resilient to manipulation and censorship. So, what is blockchain actually is and how does it operate? Let us understand with an example of a game you all must have ever played, where each player whispers a message to the one after them, and by the time of game is over, the message is completely different. This is what can occur when information is disseminated online. Blockchain technology, however, can assist maintain the accuracy and security of the data. At its root, the blockchain is a decentralized ledger that enables safe information sharing among network users. Imagine it is a digital ledger or notebook that is shared among the network of computers. With a copy of ledger of each member, every member of a network has a say in how the ledger is updated and maintained, and opposed to a central authority regulating it. So how exactly this decentralized ledger operate? We are talking about decentralized blockchain, decentralized ledger. Let us see how does it operates. When something significant is recorded or the transaction is started, it is placed into a small blocks that contains information like who was involved and what transpired. The following step is to change each one that come before it, forming so-called blockchain of blocks. So we are talking about blocks. Let's connect these blocks of blockchain with the example of a train. We can say each car is connected to the one before it, much like a train. In the same way, removing a vehicle from the midst of the railway would change the entire train. Changing a block in a center of blockchain would change everything that comes before it. The transaction is subsequently verified and the correct person is confirmed by each computer in the network and receives this block using the private key. Once most of the network confirms the transaction, it becomes completely successful. Each block in the blockchain has various headers, including the name, transaction information, prior hash, and the block hash. The blockchain is made up of series of blocks which connected to one before by the previous hash address. An arbitrary integer is used in the cryptography to distinguish the block's hash address, and the transaction details are contained in the transaction details header. The block's hash address is then created by running all the headers through a hashing algorithm which yields a number of lengths of 256 bits and 64 characters that is specific to the specific blocks. So why the blockchain is very crucial, why it is being used in nowadays very significantly. The fact that blockchain is immutable and tamper evident is one of its key advantages. This results in a safe and reliable ledger for financial transactions and record keeping, because any alterations to the ledger can be detected and rejected by the network. Blockchain technology has many potential applications. For instance, it can be applied to the banking sector to cut down the time and expenses related to the conventional financial institutions, because there is no need of intermediaries like banks to authenticate the settled transactions. Transactions can be done more rapidly, which can save time as well as the money. Additionally, ownership of various assets, both digital and tangible, may be tracked and transferred using blockchain technology. By registering who owns these assets of the blockchain, it may be possible to avoid using middlemen like attorney banks and the government organization for ownership verification and transfer, which can save time and again as well as the money. Smart contracts, which is self-executing contracts that automate legal contracts depending on predefined criteria, are another advancement of blockchain technology. When certain conditions are satisfied, such as then a product or service is delivered. Smart contracts can be designed to automatically carry out their own functions. There you have it. The blockchain technology is revolutionizing how we store and move data by offering a secure and reliable ledger for business dealings and record keeping. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize how we conduct business and communicate with another in a digital age. Whether it is the financial sector, the art, food, or any other area, the blockchain technology is being used in nowadays very significantly. So thank you guys for watching my video, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you.